Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about riding gears. Now motorcycles are surely a thing of beauty and fun, but you cannot deny the risk factor that comes with riding a motorcycle, especially in our country where people have high civic sense. So bottom line, you have to be cautious and geared up while riding. If you always wear a helmet while riding, give yourself a pat on the back. You're on the right path. After the helmet, gloves are the second protective gear that you should invest in. So let's talk about riding gloves. And today's hero is Royal Enfield Street Ace 2 gloves, affordable with style and protection. I've been using Royal Enfield's Rambler V2 gloves for over a period of 4 years, and it has started to show signs of aging. So I've kept them in Goa for my occasional rides. I do have Rider's leather gloves, but they are not the best for Mumbai summers. I needed something that has good ventilation and gloves that are made from breathable material. So I bought myself Royal Enfield Street Ace 2 gloves. I bought these from Mintra for 1200 rupees. I got the medium size like all my other gloves. You can use a measuring tape to measure your palm to check which size would fit you the best. Or you can visit a Royal Enfield store to check the glove sizes. Do not get a size bigger just for comfort. The gloves should be a little tight when you wear them for the first time, as it will later take the shape of your hand after wearing it for a few days. Now let's get to the details of the gloves. The Street Ace 2 comes with TPR protectors on fingers and knuckles. On the palm, you get micro suede fabric with foam inside for protection. Micro suede fabric also provides a good grip on the handlebar. For comfort, around the fingers you get 100% poly stretch fabric for better fit and flexibility. Air mesh is used around many parts of the gloves for ventilation. Neoprene is used in the cuff to avoid skin chafing. On the index finger, the material used is microfiber to be touchscreen compatible. I could use all the fingers to use the touchscreen. You get a TPS strap with Velcro for a secure fit along with the Royal Enfield logo on it. You also get Royal Enfield branding on the index finger. Bottom line is, these gloves are affordable, beginner friendly, and perfect for summer. You can use them for commuting or weekend rides. But these are not ideal if you're into long distance touring or riding on the track, as the protection offered on Street Ace 2 is very basic. You can check out other gloves from Royal Enfield that provide much more heavy duty protection along with CE certification. If you have any questions on the gloves, you can put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Click on the like button and subscribe for more such motorcycling content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your ride and ride safe. Goodbye.